In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to answer an activity or assignment in Google Classroom effortlessly. Whether you're new to Google Classroom or just need a quick refresher, this guide will ensure you're able to navigate the platform with confidence and ease. Let's dive right in. First, to get started, you will need to visit classroom.google.com. Make sure you sign in with your Google account. This is crucial because logging in allows you to access your classes and assignments. If you're seeing a sign-in page, simply enter your details and you should be redirected to the Classroom dashboard. Once you're logged into your Google Classroom account, it's time to locate the class where the assignment has been posted. This step is straightforward. You'll see various classes listed on your dashboard. Click on the one where you need to submit your assignment. Now you're in your specific class interface. Look towards the top of the page and find the Classwork tab. Give it a click. This tab is your primary destination for viewing all assignments and class materials. Think of this as your classwork hub, where everything related to your tasks is neatly organized. Scroll through the classwork screen until you spot the assignment you're set to complete or submit. Once found, click directly on the assignment. This action gives you a closer look at the details, including any special instructions or further resources your teacher may have provided. Upon clicking the assignment, you'll notice an option that says View Instructions. Make sure to click on that as it will provide additional context or guidelines for completing the task. Right there, you'll also notice an Add or Create button. Click on it to proceed. This next part is pretty flexible. You have several options to submit your work. You can choose to upload a file directly from Google Drive if your work is already saved there, or from your device if you have it locally stored. Alternatively, you can create a new document directly in Google Classroom using Google Docs, Sheets or Slides depending on what the assignment calls for. This flexibility means you can work from almost anywhere and still meet your classroom requirements. Once you have everything set up and your work is either uploaded or created, you're almost done. Look for the Turn In button and click it. However, if the assignment required no file attachments, you'll instead see an option that says Mark as Done. Click that if it applies to your task. Finally, a pop-up will appear on your screen asking you to confirm your submission. Take a breath, review the information to ensure everything is in order, and then click Turn In again to officially submit your assignment. And there you have it. You've just answered and submitted an assignment through Google Classroom. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your work is submitted correctly and on time. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy learning.